This week was all about problems, solutions, and a little bit of progress. So our cross bracing kind of interfered with our drive shaft just a little bit, or a lot of it. Yeah, a lot of it. So we had to clearance that. We came up with a solution, probably going to do a little bit more cross bracing on that later. And we also have our transmission cross member in. So problem, progress, solution. Talk about it. Talk about what you did wrong.
Well, you were supposed to be supervising.
Uh-huh. What'd you do wrong? What do we have to fix?
Well, if it was a Bluetooth drive shaft, it'd work just fine.
It's not a Bluetooth drive shaft.
Yeah. Yeah. Somewhere along the line, we miscalculated the height of the drive shaft by a lot. So we're going to have to cut our bracing and move it. And we're just trying to figure out the best way to keep our structure, but get it out of the way of the drive line.